Hey guys, hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these twists, whether they're Marley twists or Havana twists. It's all pretty much the same method. The only thing que yo sepa that changes is the hair type. That's what makes the name change. The hair brand that I'm using is from Divatresses. This is the second time I'm using their hair. I loved working with this hair specifically because the texture is not like your typical, let's say, connect-a-long hair, because this hair is like a crossover between like kinky hair and connect-a-long hair. You know, connect-a-long hair is like very plasticky, kind of burns your fingers when you're braiding. When you work with it, I don't know, it's just so much easier to manage. It doesn't burn your fingers. And the texture of the hair is much rougher, so it's not gonna slip on you that easily. It's gonna grip on your hair, okay?
As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. For all time's sake.
I don't know what.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
I personally definitely recommend the brand. I love the hair, no complaints. I used them for my full locks the last time around, and I used them for my twists. And now I'm thinking on what other hairstyle I want to do with them. I went to the beach with these like 2 days ago. As you can see, still intact. Of course, my baby hairs are gonna stick up a little bit. I still haven't like combed them today, but I personally, you guys already know this if you're an OG on here, I love the messy look. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.